What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest micro cap plays in the crypto space. I have a very special project for you guys in this one, but before we get into the video, just gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. It is very risky, it is very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, as you guys can see, Meme Coin Daily pulled up on screen, 681 subscribers. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, especially if you hold the project we are about to cover in this video, Dejitaru Tsuka. Now, Tsuka has the crypto space in one of the tightest leg locks I've ever seen. Everyone on crypto Twitter is talking about Tsuka. I cannot open Twitter and not see tweets, replies, charts, TA about Tsuka. Now, there's a lot of speculation behind Tsuka. It is rumored to be created by the founder of Shiba Inu, Ryoshi himself, and then there were so many LARPs of Tsuka that were created trying to ride the wave of what Tsuka did. Now, Tsuka has performed so insanely throughout the bear market. Like, I remember seeing images of people saying they are upset they sold their Tsuka early because a few people got in early, bought around $200 worth, and already would have been millionaires if they just held, guys. This is why diamond hands in crypto is still so underrated. Yes, take your profits. No one ever goes broke taking profits, but never dump your whole bag because you just never know how far a project could go, guys. Tsuka is sitting at $85 million in market cap and has $6.7 million in 24-hour trade volume, 1 billion total supply, sitting at a price of 0.086 cents, up 4% right now. This trade volume is insane, okay? $6.7 million of trade volume, and I'm not sure how many exchanges Tsuka is listed on, but I don't think it's much. You know what I'm saying? So that means people are buying and selling the project. There's a lot of transactions going on, and that also means a lot of people are interested in Tsuka. 1.89% just now while I was speaking. That is crazy. If we come down, let's see right here, centralized exchanges. Okay, so it is listed on a few centralized exchanges. BitGet has $4.4 million in trade volume. I guess I see where all the trade volume is coming from on Tsuka. Whoever uses BitGet exchange is having fun trading Tsuka. It's also listed on Mexi at $894K in trade volume, CoinEx as well, and on Uniswap it's around $1 million in trade volume on Uniswap. I have no idea why the trade volume is so high on BitGet, $4.4 million in trade volume, but BitGet whales must be super interested in Tsuka. And what's so great about all of that trade volume on that exchange, other exchanges will see that and be like, I just might want in on listing Tsuka because I need to slurp up some of that juicy trade volume, guys. That is super bullish for Tsuka. Now, I've heard about Tsuka for a while. Finally decided to cover it on the channel because it has been growing exponentially and holding up so well in the bear market and performed so well in the bear market and had a huge run up recently. So if we head over to Dex Tools, okay, you will see Tsuka was out around May, and then it just went insanely parabolic, steady moon to the upside. Steady moon is the best moon. It went to I'm not sure the complete all-time high as far as market cap for Tsuka, but I'm sure it was around 100 something million, 130 maybe, somewhere around there. You can correct me in the comment section. Tsuka already changed people's lives for the people that got in around down here, and I wouldn't be surprised if it's about to change even more people's lives. But after a huge run up like this, guys, there's gonna be a retrace, there's gonna be a correction. especially what happened with Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX. The whole market took a huge hit, so there's gonna definitely be a retrace. But right here, guys, this is what, you know, really sparked my interest. Out of nowhere, Tsuka just went on a huge run up once again, almost 3x, guys, almost a 200% move. Crazy, right? So what probably will happen next is that we have a retrace, maybe some sideways, and then we continue up further. When the time comes when the market is bullish again, and then we start to go into a bull cycle, I just can't imagine how far Tsuka would go, guys, because a lot of people see Tsuka, because of the whole speculation and the story behind it being created by Ryoshi, a lot of people seen it performing just the same way Shiba did. And the chart could tell you that, you know what I'm saying? After this huge retrace, you think it's done? Nope, it's not done. Huge move to the upside. And like I said, when the market's bullish again, I can't fathom how far this project would go, right? Right now, the market cap for Tsuka is $86 million in market cap, just like I said earlier, and it's at 8 cents. So I know a lot of people's goal for Tsuka is $1. So because of the Tsuka supply, it has to get to $1 billion in market cap to get to $1, which is around a 10 to 12x from here. But who knows? But remember, guys, crypto is very unpredictable. When there's new retail investors, new large investors, you know what I'm saying, huge stock market, hedge fund investors in the market, when ETH, Bitcoin, Doge, Shiba are sending to that next level, a lot of projects will follow. And I really think Tsuka will be one of those projects. You can't rule out maybe a 10 to 50 to 100x from here for Tsuka, because $1 billion is a 10x, 5 billion would be a 50x, 10 billion would be a 100x. Is it impossible? Nothing's impossible in crypto, guys, especially when it comes to a bull market, because look at how Doge and Shiba just shocked the world, right? You know what I'm saying? So never rule anything out in crypto. Now if we head over to the website of Tsuka, it is pretty just simple. Dejitaru Tsuka, the dragon, is here to reign. A breakdown of the history of Tsuka, Japanese lore destined the Dejitaru Tsuka dragon to breathe vast flames of wisdom and prosperity to all who embrace its ferocity and strength. It is the harbinger of abundance and wealth. Okay, straightforward, to the point. Their links and socials right here, and that's the end of the website. I see Tsuka as more of a store value project. But when it comes to crypto, even without the standard use case, as long as the community is super strong, as long as there's speculation around the project, mystery around the project, as long as there's a psychological aspect that this project can increase in value over time, that's all it really takes for it to be a sender, guys. Like literally, that's all it really takes. Now, every project could fail. The only safe, legitimate project that will never fail, it's Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, maybe BNB. But other than that, any project can fail. Look at what happened to a lot of top projects recently because of this bear market. You know what I'm saying? Majority of people in the space did not expect the SBF situation, and then just like that, we have a huge black swan event. Top project FTT gone. So when you're in the space, especially in the lower cap, micro cap, degen space, the smartest thing to do is manage your risk. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. You take a chance. If you invested an amount and the project fails, oh well, I won't cry over spilled milk because I never invested more than I could afford, right? And this is how you approach this mindset. However, when you do take those risks in this space, high risk, high reward. You invest an amount that you're willing to lose in Tsuka, it pulls a 50x, you take your profits, you're a happy man, you're a happy camper, guys, you know what I'm saying? Now when we hop over to the Tsuka Twitter, you guys can see that we have 10k followers on Twitter. Social engagement for Tsuka, I gotta say, is very, very good. We see they put out a tweet recently, their pinned tweet, where there's a first edition of the Tsuka newsletter, and there's 302 likes, 132 retweets. The Tsuka army, the Tsuka holders, you guys are freaking phenomenal at what you do, because you spread the word so much. Anytime I'm scrolling through crypto Twitter, I have to see something about Tsuka. They had a Twitter space recently. They always share meditation type videos, always you know, going with that whole being virtuous and, you know, financial freedom, meditation, spirituality. You love the aspect behind Tsuka from that perspective. It's not the typical meme format that we see, but because of the whole mystery behind the creator, is it Ryoshi who created Shiba? The whole mythical aspect of it works out perfectly for Tsuka. Now let's check out some of the other retail investor tweets on Tsuka. Hashtag Tsuka, and we're just gonna go through some of the top tweets. I have a tweet already from Crypto Jack. Should I buy Tsuka? 180 likes, 28 retweets. Crypto Jack, big name in the space, 138k followers. That's another thing I see with Tsuka. A lot of big names, a lot of big Twitter accounts, a lot of people with a lot of legitimacy in the space always seem to mention Tsuka. We have another tweet from After School Aces. Tsuka facts: fixed supply at 1 billion, 100% retail owned and paid for. Supply is already fully diluted. No team wallets to dilute. The biggest names in crypto research in Tsuka. What happens when they join the Sangha and help? Hashtag save DeFi. Dejitaru Tsuka, 49 likes, 19 retweets. And once again, going into that spirituality, meditation side of things. Another tweet from Jeremy Stead. Another exchange with 5 million active users for Tsuka. Trading peers at 8 a.m. this morning. So Tsuka literally just got listed on Hotbit. I said this earlier in the video. Exchanges will see the trade volume on Tsuka and be like, I might just need to get my hands on some of that juicy trade volume. More exchanges for a project is always bullish, so nice to see they got Tsuka has a Hotbit listing. We have another tweet from Crypto Belieber, nice name. The Tsuka recovery is insane. You don't recover in a bear market like this if you don't have big players behind you. That's what I'm saying. This bounce, crazy bounce, fam. And this is like right after a black swan in crypto. Think about that. After a black swan in crypto, we have this huge bounce. You know what I'm saying? Maybe the Ryoshi rumors are true. Who knows? But one thing I could say is that the project is definitely bullish, man. Social engagement through the roof, and I love to see that for projects like these, because the community is really what will send the project to the next level. As long as the community stays actively engaging, stays spreading the word of the project, creating things around the project, doing their best to come up with creative ways to show you why is this project so bullish. As long as the community keeps going on that path, there's no telling how far a project could go. And I see that with Tsuka. 157 likes, 46 retweets. Tweet from bigpump.eth. Tsuka $1 billion market cap very soon is undeniable, then multiple. Like I said, guys, you can't rule out anything in crypto. Crypto is very unexpected. After $1 billion, Tsuka will be at $1. Who knows? It could go to 2, 3, 5 billion, 50x from here, even 10 billion. You know, you never know what kind of crazy FOMO will happen in the bull market, guys. Compare the rest of the current market to Tsuka now. The time to buy and hold is now. We are community ran, community owned, Ryoshi's dream. He's trying to change your lives. Buy and hold. Right here, guys, community ran, community owned, Ryoshi's dream. Now, Ryoshi did step away from Shiba because he wasn't too fond of how the project was going. He preferred it to be just community driven. You know what I'm saying? And that is the same mentality that is happening with Tsuka. Tweet from Team Theta 78, having a beer at airport, sign made up to Coinbase wallet, he just bought Tsuka. I'm telling you guys, I love this community from what I'm seeing. Got his friend into Tsuka, and now he has access to a Coinbase wallet, so he could delve deep into the whole crypto space as a whole. One of the leading things that got majority of people in the crypto, myself included, is decentralization. Tsuka, completely decentralized, community run, community owned. It's up to the Tsuka holders, you guys, to stay beam based, stay supporting, stay sharing, liking, retweeting, spreading the name of Tsuka on all social media platforms, word of mouth, supporting content creators when they make content about Tsuka. From everything I've seen, you know what I'm saying, going through the project, especially what I see on crypto Twitter, this project is very bullish. I wish nothing but success for the project. I could really see it go extremely crazy in the bull market, especially after that bounce that recently happened. That just doesn't happen out of nowhere. Most projects, you know, they have their huge run up, then they die. You know what I'm saying? They don't ever, you know, start making a comeback like that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you hold Tsuka, let me know your thoughts of the video down in the comment section. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know your thoughts. Let's have a discussion in the comment section. Everything Tsuka and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.